students, now in this video I am going to explain 5th and 6th word problem of exercise 9.2 which is given in the question number E. See, I am going to read the 5th question now. You all please look into your textbook. The question is, Amit bought a notebook and storybook for rupees 100. If the cost of the notebook was rupees 12.75, then find the cost of the storybook. Let us understand first that what we are given. Amit bought a notebook and storybook for rupees 100. Means the cost of notebook and storybook is given to us. How much it is? 100 rupees. 100 rupees 00 paise. Like this you can write down. Okay. As there is no paise in 100, we can put decimal point and write 00 as a paise. So this is the cost of notebook and storybook. Then later it is given, if the cost of notebook was rupees 12.75. Now the cost of notebook is 12.75. See, this is the cost of notebook and storybook together, and this is the cost of only notebook. And what we are asked to find out? We are asked to find out the cost of storybook only. So how will you find out the cost of storybook? It's very simple. Children, if you subtract the cost of notebook from the cost of notebook and storybook, you will get the cost of storybook, right? So here you can see what I have written. Cost of storybook is equal to 100 rupees minus 12 rupees 75 paise. See the subtraction. Here you can see 5 we cannot subtract from 0. है ना? 7 cannot subtract from 0, 2 we cannot subtract from 0, and 1 we also cannot subtract from 0. So we need to take one borrow from 1. So here you can see I have cut 1 and write over there 0. When we take one borrow from 1, it will be 10. But again we have to cut 10 and we have to write there 9 because we need a borrow till the last digit. Right? So everywhere you can see I have written over there 9. And at the last digit I have written 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. And 9 minus 1, 8. And this 0 will come down as it is. 0 in the beginning has no value. So you can skip it as well. And put the decimal point just below the decimal point. So the answer is 87 rupees 25 paise. So what is the cost of storybook? 87 rupees 25 paise. Now coming to the 6th question. Jia bought a box of pencil for rupees 48. If the cost of each pencil was rupees 4, then how many pencils were there in the box? See, what is given? Jia bought a box of pencil for rupees 48. Means cost of pencil box is given to us. How much it is? 48 rupees. And cost of each pencil is 4 rupees. Then how many pencils were there in the box? Here we are asked to find out the number of pencils. Number of pencils in the box. So children, how will you find out the number of pencils? It's very simple again. If you divide the cost of pencils box by the cost of one pencil, you will get the number of pencils in the box. So here you can see how to write 48 divided by 4. You have to divide the number 48 by 4. And when you divide 48 by 4, the quotient will get 12. So whatever the quotient you got, that will be your final answer. Since the quotient is 12, our answer will be 12 only. Right? So how many number of pencils were there in the box? There are 12 pencils in the box.